They think it's done, they gone. They off the rails, but the BSC stays locked. We've seen this before. Double break means price is coming back for more. Level gets retested, volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean, you know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience, that's the ASFX way. Double break put money in my account today. The double break is back, back. Woo! Said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, V-Web now. That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed up.